Welcome everyone. Welcome in class 8 Mathematics chapter 2 Linear equations in one variable. Today we are going to solve question number 7 from exercise 2.4. So let's start. Here is the question. I have underlined the situations, different situations using different colors. Hassan buys two kind of cloth material for school uniform, shirt material that cost him rupees 50 per meter and trouser material that cost him rupees 90 per meter. Then for every 3 meter of shirt material, he buys 2 meter of the trouser material. So these are the situations given. Here he sells the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively. His total sale is rupees 30,600. How much trouser material did he buy? We have to find it out. Let's start the solution. Cost price of the shirt material is rupees 50 per meter. Cost price of trouser material is rupees 90 per meter, and we are also given the ratio of shirt material to trouser material. Because it is clearly written, I have underlined it with red color. It is also given that for every 3 meter of shirt material, he buys 2 meter of trouser material, means the ratio is 3:2. So we'll write ratio of shirt material to trouser material is 3:2. So the actual quantity of shirt material will be 3x and the actual quantity of trouser material will be 2x. So we'll write quantity of shirt material is equal to 3x and amount or quantity of trouser material is equal to 2x. Now let's see. He sells the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively. So total cost price of shirt material will be quantity multiplied by cost per meter. So it will be 3x into 50 means rupees 150x. Profit percent is given 12%. So the selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. So we'll put the values. Cost price is 150x, and how to find out profit? Profit is equal to 12% of cost price. So you can see 12% means 12 upon 100 multiply by cost price. Cost price is 150x. 0 0 cancel. Again we can cancel by 5 3s are 5 2s are, then again we can cancel by 2 1 is, and 2 6 are 12. So we'll get profit is equal to 18x. So we'll put the values. 150x plus 18x is equal to 168x. It is the selling price. I am putting here number 1. Now total cost price of trouser material. We know the total cost price of trouser material. So total, to get it, we'll multiply the total quantity of trouser material multiply by the cost per meter. So that will be equal to 2x multiply by 90. 2x is the quantity and 90 is the cost per meter. So it will be rupees 180x. Now selling price, cost price plus profit. Cost price is 180x, but profit we need to calculate. We are given profit percent, not profit. So profit is equal to 10% of the cost price. And here the cost price is 180x. So we'll put the values 10 by 100 into 180x. We'll cancel 0 with 0, the second 0 with the upper second 0, and the profit will be 18x. We'll put the values. 18x is equal to, total is 198x. This is also the second selling price for the trouser material. Number 2. Total sale is given. Total sale is given rupees 36,600. So total sale means the selling price in both the cases. The total selling price in both the cases is equal to 36,600. So the first selling price is 168x, second selling price is 198x, and the total sale is 36,600. So we'll put them equal to each other. So the first sale 168x plus 198x is equal to 36,600. Now 168x plus 198x is equal to 36,600. We'll add x, that will be 366x equals to 36,600. Now we'll keep the coefficient of x just below 36,600. We'll cancel, and the value of x will be 100. Now we can tell the length of shirt material, means total quantity or total amount of shirt material is equal to 3x, means 3 into 100, which is 300 meters, and the length of trouser material is equal to 2x, means 2 into 100 equals to 200 meters. Thank you for watching my channel. Let us learn, and happy learning.